But we are just hopeful. We are just hopeful. Yeah, the water process project is still going on. The process is still going on. As you can see, guys, this is the water, the very dirty water they are getting right now. They are passing through stages while they are drilling it to make sure that they have the right water coming out from the right place. The process is still ongoing. If you look at here, this is where they lined up the different kind of sands they have passed through while drilling. The process is still ongoing. It's still ongoing. You know, so we are still hopeful that they are going to get to the right water, maybe in the next couple of days. Yeah, we are still hoping. As you can see, the water that is coming out is still not good. But we are just hopeful. We are just hopeful. That is the truck that is supplying water to the community. So they also supply water that they have to use because the ground here is very, 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 very strong. So they have to drill while they pour water on the ground so that the hard surface, the machine will be able to pass through. So they also need the water supply to supply the water while they search for water. You can imagine. It's funny, but it's true. This is what the people have to go through here before they can get good clean water. And I'm so hopeful that I can do that for them.